Hi there. Today we are going to review force and motion vocabulary. This is an Act It Out activity brought to you by SHIP School Health Initiative Program. Today the vocabulary you will be reviewing is force, push, pull, effort, gravity, friction, work, and net force. Get ready! A force is a push or a pull that causes objects to move, stop, change speed, or change direction. So force is a push or a pull. Now, follow along as Miss Underwood demonstrates a push. Do this with your own body as she demonstrates these pushes. A push is when you exert force on something in order to move it away from yourself. Follow along with Miss Underwood and copy what she does as she opens the umbrella. She pushes it away from herself. Now, follow along as she does a push-up. She is pushing her body away from the floor. Push. Good job. Get ready for pull. A pull is when you take hold of something and exert force to bring it toward yourself. Watch Miss Underwood as she opens a door and pulls it toward herself. Copy her motions even if you're not near a door so that you can feel what it feels like to pull a door open. Pull. Here Miss Underwood pulls a bungee cord toward herself. She's exerting force to bring it toward herself. Pull. And copy this motion also. Miss Underwood is pulling down a screen. Effort is the amount of force needed to move an object. So it takes more effort to move something larger than to move something smaller. Think about lifting a small Lego, very easy, or lifting a bigger Lego set. It's a little bit heavier and you have to put forth more effort. Follow along with Miss Underwood and pretend like you were lifting one book and it's really easy and you're putting forth minimal effort. Or when she lifts the whole stack, imagine the effort that goes into that. It's much greater. Easy. Much harder, and it requires much more effort to lift a stack of books than it does to lift one book. Gravity. Gravity is the force that pulls objects toward the earth. No matter what you do, if you drop something or throw something, it will automatically be pulled down toward the earth. Find something, a sock ball, a small ball in your house, or another light item, and do what Miss Underwood does. She dropped the cube, it went straight to the ground, and it landed and stopped. Here she dropped the ball. It even bounced a few times, but it still went down toward the earth. Friction is the force that opposes the motion of an object. So when we apply friction to something, it actually can slow things down and cause a slower motion. In this video, copy Miss Underwood as she applies friction to her hands rubbing together. The harder Miss Underwood pushes her hands together, the slower her hands can move. This can also be applied with when you slide your shoes across a carpet. It's really hard to do that because there's friction. There's forces that are opposing each other. And another example would be pulling a piece of furniture across the floor. It's really hard to do because there is a lot of friction. There's a lot of force that opposes the motion of that object. Work. The definition of work is when the force that you apply to move an object actually allows the object to move. So when you put forth effort to close a door, the door actually closes. That is work. So demonstrate with Miss Underwood and copy along what she does. She pushes the chair and the chair moves. Her work was equal to the movement of the chair. The work that she did, pushing that chair, made the chair move. Now, net force is all of these forces acting on an object at the same time. A push, a pull, effort, friction, gravity, and work. So with your body, I want you to figure out a way to make your body look like a plus sign. You can either put your hands out to the side so that you look like a plus sign, or you can cross your arms in front of you in the shape of a plus sign. That will help you remember that net force is all of those forces added together. You did a great job today. Go through and watch this one more time and act out all of the vocabulary, and have a great day.